Now we turn it to the run. So I'm going to check the battery. And check the connection. Let's clean this out and see if it works. Because I thought a small light was supposed to come on.